How to see what communities you follow on Reddit. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can see easily what communities you follow on your Reddit. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So open your Reddit app, and once you're on the app, you will see here three lines in the top left corner. Tap on it. First, here you will see all of your recently visited communities. Then here you will see all of the communities you follow and have joined. So if you keep scrolling down, here you will see all of the people you are following, and here if you tap on all, here you will see all of the posts from the communities and users you follow on Reddit. So this is how you can see what communities you follow on Reddit. Thanks for watching.